class 1 children. Today we will do English grammar and the topic is, you know what? A and the, and we also call these what? Articles. So when do we use a and the? When do we use these words? So children, do you remember that we had started our English grammar? The first chapter was what? Alphabetical order. And then we moved, then I had also told you about what? How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26. And 5 are what? 5 are vowels. And what are those? Remembered? A, E, I, O, U. These are what? Vowels. And the rest, 21 letters, are called consonants. So today we are going to see how consonant and vowels we are going to make use of it, and we are going to use this A and the. So a is used when we talk about one person, thing, place or animal, and it is also used before a consonant. You remember consonant and vowel? Okay. For example, a mouse. M is what here? Consonant. A zoo. Z is again consonant here. A boy. Boy is consonant. So we have used what? A camera. So C is what? C is a consonant, and so we have used here a camera. So here now an is used when we talk about one person, one thing, a place or animal. It is also used before a vowel. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Now example, dash old woman. Now here O, vowel. So what we will write? An old woman. Umbrella, U here is vowel. Remember? So we'll put what? An umbrella. Igloo, I vowel. So what we are going to use here? An igloo. Owl. O again vowel, we'll write an owl. Now the. When do we use the? The is used when we talk about any particular person or thing. Like what? For example, the purse was empty. So here I am talking about a particular purse which I know. Okay. So what will I use? The. The purse was empty. The man was sick. So I am not talking about any man. Otherwise I would have written what? A man was sick. But since I know any particular person, any particular man, so I have used the word what? The man. Okay. The sky looks blue. Now what the sky? So we will use for that particular sky. We are using what? The. Blue whale is the largest animal on earth. So we are talking about what? We are talking about blue whale is the largest. So what about a particular animal? That is what? Blue whale. So we have used what? The largest animal on. We visited the Taj Mahal last week. So we are talking about what? Taj Mahal, a particular monument. So what we have used? The. So children, we have started with this chapter A and the. So kindly go through my video and the words, the explanation and the examples that I have given you. Write it in your English grammar copy and understand it, and then what we will do is we will do more of these exercises with A and the in my next videos. Till then children, take care.